So hi everyone, I am Subhadip. So today in this video I will explain this question, and this question was asked in 2024 JEE main, and it was a first fave question, morning shift. So what is given in that question? A is that set and R1 R2 R2 relation on A such that R1 is given by this and R2 is given by this, then find the number of R1 intersection R1 minus R2, right? So first of all let us find R1. So in R1 what will be the element? For those element A, this type of pair such that A is such that B is divisible by A, right? That means B, we can write it as A into K, like this. So suppose A is 1, then B will be 1 1, so B is divisible by A, nothing more for 1, right? For second, suppose this is 2, so this will be 1 and also it can be 1 2, because here 2 is divisible by 1. Similarly 1 3, like this, and up to 120, right? So this for 1 we get this, so how many terms we get? 20 terms. Then for 2, so 2 will be there, then 2 4 will be there, because 4 is divisible by 2. Similarly like this 220, this type of. So how many terms? 10 terms, 20 by 2. Similarly for 3, if we take first element 3, then what we get? 3 3, then 3 9, and this is up to 3 18, right? So there will be 6 element. Similarly when 4, so it will be 4 4, then 4 8, like this. And how many terms will be there? 420, that means 20 by 5, that means 5 term will be there. For 5 5 will be there, then 5 10 will be there, 5 15 will be there, and 5 20 will be there. So here 4 term. For 6 6 1, sorry, 6 6 6 12, and 6 18 will be there. So how many terms? 3 terms. Similarly 7 7 7 14, and if we take 7 21, then it will be out of the range, because up to 20 there is. So this is 2. 8 8 8 16 will be there, so there is 2 term. 9 1 9 9, and 9 18, that means 2 terms. Then 10 10 10 10 10, and then 10 20 will be there, so there will be 2 term. And after 10, if we take 11, so 11 will be there, but 11 into 2, that means 20 11 22 will be not be there, since up to 20 is our range. So for up greater than 11, there will be this 12 comma 12, then 13 comma 13, like this, 20 comma 20. So these are 10 terms. So what will be the number of R1? So how many terms is there in R1? How many terms is there? So this is equals to number of terms in R1 will be, so first here 10, so 10 plus this is 1 2 3 4 4 into 2, that means 8, plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, 3 plus 4 plus 5, then plus 6 plus 20 plus 10. So this is how much? This is equals to 20, 30, 40. So 40 plus 11, 11 plus 4, 15, 26. So this will be 66. So number of R1 is 66. Now we have to find our number of R2. So what will be R2? Actually we don't need whole R2, because to find number of R1 minus R2, what we need? So this is suppose R1 and this is R2. So R1 minus R2 means nothing but number of R1 minus number of R1 intersection R2. That means we just need this R1 intersection R2. We don't need to find whole R2, we just find R1 intersection R2. That means when R1 intersection R2 means what? B is divisible by A, B is divisible by A, right? And A is integral multiple of B. That means B is divisible by A is divisible by B. That means A equals to B. So what will be R1 intersection R2? R1 intersection R2 nothing but 1 1 1 2 2 dot 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 20 20, right? So how many terms are there? Number of R1 intersection R2 is nothing but 20, right? Yes, so 20. So we get this is as 66. So number of R1 minus R2, this will be 66 minus, from this formula, 66 minus 20 terms, so that means 46. So what will be answer for this question? This will be 46. So this was it for today, and thank you for watching this video. And if you like this video, you can share with your friends, and thank you everyone.